Hey guys, in today's video you'll be checking out some of the best cordless drill combo kits available in the market. We have combined them according to their quality, capacity, price, user satisfaction and ease of use. You can find out more info about them in the description box below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon below to be the first to know about any new videos. Ranking at number 6 we have DEWALT 20V Max Cordless Drill Combo Kit. The DEWALT DCK1020D2 Combo Kit is ideal for almost any cutting, drilling or fastening applications. It comes with lightweight design with high-performance motor that delivers 300 unit watts of power out. It provides up to 1,400 inches-pounds of maximum torque and delivers up to 2,800 RPM and 3,200 IPM for fast, efficient work in a range of fastening applications. At number 5 we have Porter Cordless Combo Kit. It features variable speed that produces 8,000s to 18,000s OPM for optimum performance on a variety of applications. Its tool-free blade clamp, universal fitment and LED provide ease of use. At number 4 we have DEWALT 20V Max Cordless Drill Combo Kit. This DEWALT 20V Max Lithium-Ion Drill Impact Driver Combo Kit comes with DEWALT cordless tools including the DC-D771 20V Max half-inch drill and the DCF885 1/4 inch impact driver. Both have a compact and lightweight design to fit into tight areas, as well as an ergonomic handle for comfort and control. This toolkit is ideal if completing a wide range of applications. LED footlight for superior visibility. At number 3 we have Black Decker Cordless Drill Combo Kit. The durable and powerful cordless driver features an 11-position clutch to help prevent stripped screws and an LED to illuminate work surfaces. Its compact, lightweight design makes this portable saw perfect for working in tighter spaces. Keyless chuck makes bit changes a breeze. This cordless circular saw is designed with a high-torque motor that delivers more power. The tool-free depth of cut ensures easy adjustments on the fly. At number 2 we have Craftsman Cordless Combo Kit. The Craftsman V20 Max 7-tool combo kit provides the tools, batteries, charger, and accessories needed to get any job done. Cordless reciprocating saw with 1 stroke length running at 3000 SPMs for speed of completing applications. Tool-free blade release allows for quick and easy blade changes. At number 1 we have Porter Cordless Drill Combo Kit. This 20V Max Lithium-Ion 8-tool combo kit features a drill circular saw, recip saw, impact driver, jigsaw, sander, oscillating tool, and flashlight. For professional contractors, carpenters, and those in the trades, this combo kit provides the tools to deliver top-quality work without the hassle of extension cords. Oscillating tool with tool-free accessory change and variable speed up to 18,000 oscillations per minute for sanding and cutting versatility.